These cucumber seeds sprout in just a few days. Prepare an egg carton, preferably paper, as it is biodegradable and perfect for sowing. Cut it in half and keep the part with the egg compartments. Then take cucumber seeds. They are quite small, so planting them individually can be difficult and easy to lose. Place 3 seeds in each section. This is a simple trick to grow cucumber seedlings without pots. It increases the chance that at least one strong seedling will grow in each spot. Let us know where you are watching from. Now, cover everything with soil. This is a simple way to plant cucumbers from seeds at home without special containers. Sprinkle a bit of ash, which naturally supports plant growth and provides minerals. Finally, water regularly, keeping the soil moist but not wet. After just a few days, you will see the first sprouts. This is an easy way if you are wondering how to speed up cucumber germination. The seedlings will grow fast and healthy. It is a great eco-friendly way to start cucumbers without using plastic. Stick a screwdriver into the bag of soil. Turn it over to the other side. Cut the plastic in a cross shape using a utility knife. Fold each flap inward and tuck it under the soil. Make small holes in the soil and plant your favorite herbs. The openings help aerate the soil, making it ready for planting. It's a quick, clean method with no mess that lets you plant several plants at once. Before you sow carrots, try this trick. My grandma always plants them this way and gets great harvests. Not many people know this method. Take an ice cube tray and fill it with regular garden soil. Now, prepare your seeds, for example, carrot seeds. This is how to plant carrots in the garden. Place 1 seed in each compartment. Then pour water into each section. It's a clever way to sow seeds using ice cubes. Put the tray in the freezer. After some time, everything will freeze completely. When the cubes are ready, take them out one by one. Put them in a bowl and bring them to the garden. Prepare a row in the soil where you want your crops. Place the cubes shallowly in the soil, about 1 to 2 inches apart. The ice melts quickly, giving the seeds the moisture they need to germinate. This is a very easy way to plant vegetables. Then lightly cover them with soil. With this method, the seeds are evenly spaced, don't stick together, and don't need thinning later, which often damages young plants. You'll get much better yields. This simple gardening trick makes sowing carrots faster, more precise, and much easier. This simple trick turns a single garlic clove into a whole bunch of fresh chives. Prepare a plastic tray and fill it with garden soil that retains moisture well and gives the plant stable growing conditions. Take a garlic bulb and separate it into individual cloves. Gently trim the top of each clove, where the shoot will sprout, to encourage faster growth. Prepare a jar and pour in 1 liter of water. Add a tablespoon of salt, which helps clean and strengthen the cloves, and a tablespoon of ash, a natural fertilizer that supports garlic growth. Mix everything thoroughly to create a simple, nourishing solution. Now dip each clove in the water for a moment to let it absorb the nutrients. Then plant the cloves in the soil, leaving space between them to grow. This is an easy way to grow chives from garlic at home. Water regularly, but don't overdo it. Soon, you'll see the first green shoots. It's a simple trick to speed up garlic growth, and you'll get fresh, aromatic chives to use in your kitchen. Few people know this way of sowing carrots. You'll end up with so many harvests, you'll barely keep up picking them. Get a pot and pour in about 1 quart of water. Place it on the stove and bring it to a boil. Now prepare about 1/8 cup of cornstarch, which will thicken the mixture and help distribute the seeds evenly. Add it to the boiling water, stir well, and cook until it turns into a thick gel. This gel holds moisture and keeps the seeds from shifting in the soil. Let it cool completely. Now get your carrot seeds. They're very tiny, which makes them hard to sow evenly. This method shows you how to do it right. Add them to the cooled gel and mix thoroughly. Take a piping bag and place it in a tall container to make it easier to fill. Pour the mixture in and let it sit for 3 to 4 days so the seeds can prepare for germination. In the soil, make small grooves where you want to sow. Cut a small corner of the bag and gently squeeze the mixture evenly along the grooves. It's an easy way to get straight rows in your garden. Finally, lightly cover everything with soil and mist with water. This helps speed up carrot germination, and the plants will grow faster, denser, and more evenly. Don't throw away stale bread. Our grandparents knew that this humble kitchen leftover could become a real treasure for the garden. Instead of spending money on store-bought fertilizers and plant feeds, you can make a simple, natural fertilizer that helps young plants thrive. Whole wheat, rye, or white bread all work well for this recipe. Break the bread into small pieces and place them in a large jar. Pour in warm, but not hot, water. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and stir well. The sugar speeds up fermentation, creating beneficial compounds that support healthy plant growth. Close the jar and let it sit for 48 hours. While the bread is fermenting, prepare a nettle infusion. Place a few fresh nettle leaves in a glass and pour warm water over them. Let them steep for several hours so the water absorbs the nutrients from the leaves. Then remove the leaves, leaving only the liquid. After 48 hours, strain the fermented bread mixture. Add 2 cups of water to the liquid. This step is important because it dilutes the fertilizer, making it safe for plant roots. Next, add about half a cup of the prepared nettle infusion. Gardeners value nettles for the nutrients they provide, which help plants grow strong and healthy. Stir everything together until well combined. Pour the finished fertilizer into a watering can. Apply it directly to the soil around the base of your plants, preferably early in the morning or in the evening when the sun is less intense. This gives the nutrients more time to soak into the soil and reach the roots. Repeat every 2 to 3 weeks throughout the growing and fruiting season. For tomatoes, this homemade fertilizer helps develop stronger stems, encourages healthy root growth, and supports fruit production. Cucumbers reward you with lush foliage, vigorous growth, and abundant harvests throughout much of the season. Just 1 tablet is enough for your cucumbers to start growing like crazy. This mixture works like a powerful regenerating booster for young cucumber plants. It strengthens their resistance and helps even weakened plants recover and grow stronger again. Cucumbers often struggle with powdery mildew and plant issues during humid weather, which is why they need regular support. The base of this mixture is aspirin containing acetylsalicylic acid, which supports the plant's natural regeneration and resilience. Take a bowl and add 2 aspirin tablets, then crush them thoroughly into a fine powder. It creates a light, delicate texture that dissolves easily in water and quickly releases its properties. Next, prepare a small pot and pour in half a liter of water. Add the crushed aspirin and simmer everything for about 10 minutes so the ingredients fully infuse into the water and create an active solution. While the mixture is still warm, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and stir thoroughly. The vinegar stabilizes the solution and improves its effectiveness in the soil, helping plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. Let the mixture cool completely. Then prepare a bucket with about 5 liters of water, pour in the finished concentrate, and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of gardening ammonia and stir again to create a fully active solution. Pour the finished fertilizer into a spray bottle and spray the cucumber leaves every few days during the intensive growth period. This helps the plants recover faster, become stronger and more resistant, while producing much larger and healthier harvests.